In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Audible app on your iPhone. If you're troubleshooting an issue, switching accounts, or simply handing your phone to someone else, signing out is a quick way to protect your listening activity and account information. Before we start, a quick heads up. When you sign out, downloaded audiobooks are removed from your device to free up space. Don't worry, your purchases remain tied to your account, and you can re-download them after you sign back in. First, open the Audible app on your iPhone. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe down from the middle of the screen to use search, type Audible, and tap the app icon. Give it a moment to load so all the tabs appear along the bottom. Now go to your profile. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen for the Profile tab. It usually shows a person icon and the word Profile. Tap that once. This takes you to your account area where you can view stats, badges, and settings. If you ended up on your Library or Home tab by mistake, just return to the bottom right and select Profile again. Next, open Settings. In the top right corner of the profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear is the universal symbol for settings. Tap it to open the Settings menu. This is where Audible keeps account options, playback preferences, and other app controls. From here, scroll down through the settings list until you find the Sign Out option. It's typically near the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Keep swiping up until it appears. When you see Sign Out, tap it once. Audible wants to make sure you really intend to leave the account, especially because offline downloads will be cleared. To finish, tap Sign Out again on the confirmation prompt. After you confirm, the app will return you to the sign-in screen. That's your signal that you're fully signed out. If you plan to sign back in later, make sure you know your account credentials. When you log back in, your full library will be there, and you can re-download any titles you want to keep offline. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of the Audible app on your iPhone. If you're troubleshooting, try signing back in to see if your issue clears up. If you're switching accounts, you can now enter the credentials for the other account from this screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate your Audible settings with confidence.